Good morning, everybody. Hi, our little chicks. They survived for overnight. Are you all okay there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they all alive. So see, let's check on the traps. If we find weasels today, the suspect. Oh no, there's a new hole in here. See if we got. Oh, that's untouched. Uh-oh, that one's turned. That's the mousetraps, big mousetraps we put so we can catch the weasel that's been killing our chicks. We lost 3 chicks already in a row. Let's see what's... The trap is still here. Our little chicks survived for overnight. Ooh! Uh-oh! We got a mice here. It's too bad it's not the weasel. Alright, gotcha. Hopefully next time we get the weasel next time. Weasel is bigger than that. It's like a big rat. Alright, everybody. That's it for today. Good morning, little chicks. You survived for overnight. Good for you. We prayed for your protection overnight. Next time we'll catch the weasel next time. Hopefully. We'll pray for that so our chicks can come out. We put them in a dog cage so they can be safe. Alright, that's it for today. Bye everybody. God bless. Peace to all of us.